Presenting Sujata Powermatic Plus Juicer Mixer Grinder. It has one of the most powerful 900 watts motor with double ball bearings for efficiency and low maintenance, trouble-free running for years. It has a juicer with unique honeycomb filter mesh for finer juice and higher yield. It has 22,000 rotations per minute operation that retains flavor and aroma of juices and food. The grinder can continuously run for 90 minutes, hence is suitable for longer usage and is totally shock-proof and safe to use. The dimensions of the product are 50 cm in length by 27 cm in width by 36 cm in